since the road ahead is leading to Delhi. It's going to take me a month, maybe 25 days to reach to Delhi. And then from there onwards, if my body keeps up, I intend to head further southwards, possibly to the Indian Ocean. Ever since I was a school student, I like to push boundaries. You know, I always wondered what's beyond the hill in the valley. I like to explore the town. Back in 2015, I had walked across the plains of Nepal, a distance of 1200 kilometers from the Hulaki road. That was my first long walk. And from 2017 to 2018, I did a really long walk across Nepal that involved going across the mountains, hills and plains. So I went across Nepal 3.5 times during that duration, over 219 days. So that was my most significant walk. It was 6,000 kilometers long. I've walked almost around 9,000 kilometers cumulatively within Nepal. And this is my first foray outside Nepal. And they said going through Kashmir is a better idea. So then I rebooted my walk from Kargil. Walking is something that kind of makes you realize that the world isn't as big as it seems, you know. No matter where I have gone so far, people have more in common across boundaries than there are differences. I like to keep between 25 to 30 kilometers a day. And at that pace, it would take me around, on the route that I have vaguely planned, it would take me around 4.5 months to get to Kanyakumari from here.